Welcome to Module 5. You've learned how to plan and organize your systems. Now comes the bridge between thought and execution, communication. AI agents don't guess what you mean, they follow exactly what you say. The difference between brilliance and chaos is usually one unclear sentence. Today, we'll learn to speak the language of clarity so your agent performs like a professional, not a guessing machine. Daniel, a financial consultant, asked his agent to write a follow up email to the client. The agent sent a generic template that sounded cold and robotic. Daniel was furious until he realized he never told it the tone, the goal, or what to include. We rewrote his prompt. You are a friendly consultant writing to a long term client. Summarize yesterday's meeting in 3 short paragraphs. Thank them for their trust and remind them the next call is on Friday. The result was perfect, warm, professional, and personal. When your results disappoint you, is it really the AI or is it your clarity? Every instruction you give is a moment of leadership. When you speak vaguely, you create uncertainty. When you speak specifically, you create confidence. The goal isn't to sound smart, it's to be understood clearly. You don't need long paragraphs, you need short sentences that define context, action, and outcome. Here's your magic formula. Context: who or what is the agent acting as? Task: what should it do specifically? Result: how should it present the output? Try it once and you'll see instant improvement. It works for emails, reports, summaries, anything. Agents don't need more data, they need better direction. Let's compare these two. The first one is a command without a vision. The second creates structure and tone. When you write like a leader, the agent responds like a professional. Pause now and rewrite one of your own prompts using the 3-part formula. Notice how the output feels smarter instantly. Each time you mix multiple actions, the agent gets confused. Break requests into smaller chunks. Always define the tone and format. It's like telling a writer who the audience is. And be careful with emotional words like catchy or impactful. Instead, say what that means to you. Use active verbs and short sentences. Professional writers keep swipe files, collections of their best material. You should do the same for prompts. Within weeks, you'll have a personal library of tested instructions for emails, reports, marketing, research, and more. That library will become your secret weapon for consistency and speed. Today, you learned the difference between typing and teaching. You're no longer a user sending commands to a program. You're a communicator training an assistant to mirror your logic, tone, and professional standard. That's how leaders use AI, not as a shortcut, but as an extension of their clarity. Think beyond AI. Every relationship, team, client, family improves when you communicate clearly. Precision isn't cold, it's kindness. It removes guesswork and builds trust. In Module 6, we'll take your new clarity and connect it to a smooth workflow so your instructions flow naturally from idea to execution without you repeating yourself.